with me as I fly to Lagos via Lome on Ethiopian Airlines 787-900. The legal model of Dallas International Airport. What an amazing job the guy did. Check-in process done. Now headed down to the gates. I first stopped at the Turkish lounge. That is a partner lounge Ethiopian Airlines uses at Dallas International Airport. The lounge is pretty packed and they have lots of variety of food. Probably due to the time of the day, there are several airlines departing. It was an evening flight, so that's why the lounge is packed. From Turkish Airlines Lounge, I headed to Lufthansa Senator Lounge, the business class lounge. Made use of my priority pass. But the lounge is kind of a very small, limited food options and drink. And I kind of left immediately to the gate to board my flight. As soon as I got to the gates, my flight was being called for boarding, and I was the first business class passenger to get on board. The Ethiopian Airlines Dreamliner 900 series is configured in a 2-2-2 layout. The screens are big and it was very responsive when I tried using it. The last time I flew on Ethiopian Airlines Business Class Cloud 9, as Ethiopian Airlines calls it, was on the 350, and it has the same layout configuration, 222 configuration. As soon as I sat down, the crew brought a warm towel for me to use. Get a bottle of water, socket, blanket, and the pillow. It's kind of hard and the fluffy in between. Did the job while the divider is a little bit small, it's not movable. The seat control is on the armrest. Sometimes when you're eating or doing stuff, your hand touches it, you adjust the seat. There are many tickets on this flight. It's just basic: comb, toothbrush, pen, socks. The usual thing you get on the basic amenity kits, and a pouch. Later, champagne. I had a champagne and orange juice. I have to make a mimosa. Roughly after that, the menu was passed out. The service was very efficient before takeoff. And after takeoff, dinner was served immediately before retiring to sleep. If you have watched this channel up to this stage, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's keep it growing. Leave a comment on what you would like to see next, or any questions you want answered, and I'll be glad to do my best to answer any questions you might have. And you can click on the notification button anytime I drop any video. You'll be the first to know.
Let me have some red wine. Yeah. Thank you.
sécurité. Vous pouvez maintenant vous déplacer dans la cabine. Toutefois, il est toujours recommandé de bien vouloir attacher vos ceintures de sécurité et de vous rassurer. Vous pouvez maintenant...
Almost about to land, just have finished having breakfast, but the breakfast service was not to par with the dinner service. But overall, Ethiopian Airline has always been improving. Every time I fly them, there's something new, always improving, which is kudos to them. And my return leg is going to be on the probably same aircraft. And I'm going to drop the video as well. We're now in Lome. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Drop your comments, your questions. Let's keep this channel growing.